once again, good morning. Today is about 19, yeah, 19. So here I need show, no? So here, this is our 22 treatment sessions or days of December 19, 2014, same management, but we increased the gasoline, no, by which 5 kilograms, there you are, no? Then, start recover the lower extremities, so ito ipakita nimo, there you are, no? So again, everything is will recover, no? Together lagi with our prayer, no? There. Again, so here. Okay, good. So na kayo na siya ako, ano? Again, sakit ni kang cho, no? By which ni-recover yung comprehension, no? So here. Here. Again. So, pas-pas na kayo siya, no? Again, together with the electrical stimulator. There you are, no? Then, muna siya katong ang foreigner, no? So here si Cho, no? Again, point to BP. So 12169.105, 12169.105. So we put that here. Again, ato ni butangan si Cho og hot box sentence na hot box in here, no? By which nga iyahang neck, no? Nga proper normal range of motion na makuha na to, no? Ma-achieve na to. So here it recovers siya. Again, malagi ito nangutan na ta siyang nurse, no? And then sa iyahang wife, by which, no? Ketong lagi iyang food, no? By which nga it will recover. So here this system formed by the mouth, salivary glands, pharynx, and esophagus, stomach, small intestines, large intestines, liver, and pancreas digest food. Food travels from the mouth down through the esophagus and reaches to the stomach, where gastric juices from food into pulp, no? So 2 to 3 hours food of the stomach into to the intestines, no? Then so here, so kinsa man sa intestines and into the bloodstream. Again, bloodstream. So here, again, Darwin argumenter ato ang pambato, no? By which lagi, no operation, no injection, no medicine, no? So here, again, follow this one, no? Again, follow this one too, kasi about, I'm researching this one. So maybe this is the last na siguro nga pinaka kuha na to, no? So here, again, it recovers, no? So look at the skin, no? So naka na. Here. So makamore pagidani siya because of the comprehension, right? Stroke, no? So katong Darwin argumenter, no? So gibutangan pagitod na tog tension 3. So karon we goal is about for the lower extremity to 5 minutes, no? Again para makalakaw niya siya. So and then we store gasoline. So here again ato timbangon. So here, no? Again ang timbangon is 5 kilograms. 5 kilograms. So here again 5 kilograms. So here again, so ipakita na to sa iyahang history. Again, thank you.